A few months ago, I came across the story of a man named Robert. At 64 years old, he believed he was finally approaching the finish line. After more than 4 decades of hard work, he expected retirement to be a season of freedom. But one evening, sitting alone at his kitchen table, he discovered something that left him staring at the numbers in disbelief. His retirement account wasn't where he thought it would be. The income he expected wouldn't cover the lifestyle he had spent years imagining. And for the first time in his life, he began asking a terrifying question. What if retirement wasn't actually possible? The reason I'm sharing this story is simple. Robert isn't unique. In fact, millions of middle-class Americans are facing the exact same reality. They've worked hard, followed the rules, and done their best to save. Yet many are discovering that retirement is becoming harder to reach than ever before. Before we continue, do me a quick favor. Like this video, subscribe to Michael Invests, and leave a comment below. Tell me honestly, have you ever worried that your retirement savings might not be enough? Here on Michael Invests, we have real conversations about retirement, investing, and protecting your future, and your comment helps more people discover these important discussions. Now, let's talk about the retirement crisis nobody wants to discuss. Not because it isn't real. Not because it isn't serious. But because facing it forces people to confront uncomfortable truths about their future. For decades, middle-class families believed in a simple formula. Work hard, save consistently, and eventually retirement would take care of itself. It sounded reasonable. It felt achievable. And for a long time, many people believed it would work. The problem is that the world changed. The cost of living changed. Healthcare changed. Housing changed. But many retirement expectations remained exactly the same. Imagine running a race where the finish line keeps moving farther away every year. You continue running. You continue pushing forward. Yet somehow the destination never seems to get any closer. That's exactly how retirement feels for many middle-class workers today. Despite decades of effort, financial security often seems just beyond reach. And every year, the challenge becomes more difficult. One thing I've noticed is that most people don't realize how much retirement has changed. They assume their parents' experience will be similar to their own. Unfortunately, that's often no longer true. Previous generations frequently had advantages that are becoming increasingly rare. Many had pensions. Many faced lower housing costs. Many retired into a world where everyday expenses consumed a smaller portion of their income. Today's retirees face a completely different landscape. They face rising costs, longer life expectancies, and growing financial uncertainty. And that's creating enormous pressure on retirement savings. But here's where things become even more concerning. There's a silent force working against nearly every retiree. It's not dramatic. It's not sudden. But over time, it can destroy even the best financial plans. That force is inflation. And while most people understand inflation in theory, very few understand how devastating it can become over decades. That's where the real danger lies. Imagine retiring with $500,000 in savings. For many people, that sounds like a substantial amount of money. It feels like enough to provide comfort and security for years. But what if inflation quietly reduces the purchasing power of that money year after year? What if groceries continue getting more expensive? What if utility bills keep rising? What if healthcare costs increase even faster? Suddenly, that impressive savings account doesn't look nearly as impressive. The money is still there, but its ability to support your lifestyle has changed dramatically. This is one reason so many retirees experience financial stress they never anticipated. They planned for today's costs. They didn't fully prepare for tomorrow's costs. And inflation isn't the only problem. In fact, there's another threat that may be even more frightening. Because unlike inflation, it can arrive suddenly and without warning. I'm talking about healthcare expenses. Many people assume they'll remain relatively healthy throughout retirement. And hopefully they will. But hope is not a financial strategy. The reality is that healthcare costs can rise quickly as we age. Prescription medications, specialist visits, surgeries, and long-term care can place enormous pressure on retirement savings. It only takes one major health event to completely change someone's financial outlook. That's a risk many middle-class families underestimate until it's too late. But there's another issue that rarely gets enough attention. And this challenge may surprise you. It's something that sounds positive at first, but creates a serious financial problem. People are living longer. That's obviously good news. More time with family. More experiences. More opportunities to enjoy life. However, longer life expectancy means your money must last longer too. A retirement that lasts 30 years requires far more resources than one lasting 10 or 15 years. Think about that for a moment. Your savings may need to support you for 3 decades after you stop working. That's an enormous responsibility for any retirement portfolio. And this is where many people begin to feel overwhelmed. They look at rising costs. They look at healthcare expenses. They look at increasing life expectancy. Then they wonder if they'll ever have enough. If you've ever felt that way, you're not alone. Millions of Americans share the same concern. In fact, many people approaching retirement lie awake at night thinking about these exact questions. They wonder whether they'll become a burden on their children. They wonder whether they'll have to return to work. They wonder whether their savings will survive another decade. These fears don't appear in public. Most people keep them private. They smile at family gatherings. They continue normal routines. But underneath the surface, anxiety continues growing. Financial stress is often invisible. That's what makes this crisis so dangerous. People can struggle for years without anyone realizing what they're going through. Let's go back to Robert for a moment. After discovering that his retirement plan wasn't as strong as he thought, he had a choice. He could ignore the problem. Or he could face it. First. He wanted to avoid the numbers entirely. Looking at them made him uncomfortable. They challenged assumptions he had carried for decades. But eventually, he decided to confront reality honestly. And that's when something interesting happened. His fear began to decrease. Not because the situation magically improved overnight. Not because he suddenly became wealthy. But because clarity replaced uncertainty. And here's something I want every viewer of Michael Invests to understand. Financial uncertainty often feels worse than financial reality. When you don't know where you stand, fear fills the gaps. The moment you understand your situation clearly, you gain something powerful. You gain the ability to make decisions. And decisions create opportunities. The most successful retirees aren't always the highest earners. I've seen countless examples where ordinary middle-class families achieved impressive results through preparation and consistency. They didn't wait for the perfect moment. They didn't assume someone else would solve their problems. They took responsibility for their future while they still had time. That's the key word here, time. Time is one of the most valuable assets you possess. And unlike money, once it's gone, you can never earn it back. Every year you delay planning reduces your flexibility. Every year you postpone action limits your options. That's why waiting can become incredibly expensive. The retirement crisis nobody wants to talk about isn't really about money alone. It's about freedom. It's about independence. It's about having choices later in life. Most people don't dream about retirement because they want to stop working. They dream about retirement because they want control over their time. They want the freedom to choose. That's why this conversation matters so much. Because the decisions you make today may determine how much freedom you have tomorrow. If you've watched this far, I want to congratulate you. You're already doing something many people avoid. You're paying attention to your future instead of hoping everything works out on its own. If this video helped you think differently about retirement, subscribe to Michael Invests right now. Every week, I share insights designed to help everyday middle-class Americans build stronger financial futures. Leave a like if this message resonated with you. It helps YouTube share this video with more people who need to hear it. And it helps this community continue growing. Most importantly, leave a comment below and type, "I'm taking control." Those 3 words represent a commitment to your future, a commitment to preparation, and a commitment to taking action while you still can. I read as many comments as possible, and I genuinely love to hear your thoughts. Your story may inspire someone else who feels alone in their financial journey. And before you leave, click on the next video appearing on your screen right now. Because in that video, I'll show you another retirement mistake that could cost the average retiree thousands of dollars. Thanks for watching Michael Invests, and I'll see you in the next video.